Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have the device and the app. Start casting now. First, power your Chromecast or enable cast on the TV and confirm the LED is steady. Next, make sure your phone and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network so they can find each other. This is why connections fail when they differ. Once done, open the Google Cast app, allow network permissions, and watch for the TV name to appear. Tap it to begin the first connection handshake. You're past setup, now select what to play and where. From a Cast-enabled app or the Google Cast app, tap the Cast icon, then choose your TV device. This tells the phone to send a stream to that target. Pick a video, music, or photo, your phone becomes the remote. Make sure to adjust volume, captions, and quality if available, because those settings affect viewer experience. If you want group audio or multi-room, select the proper device group before play. To finish, tap the Cast icon again and choose Stop Casting or Disconnect in the app. This returns the TV to its previous input. If an app won't cast, use the screen mirror option to display your phone. Remember that mirroring uses more battery and may show slight lag. If something goes wrong and the TV isn't found, restart your router, phone, and Chromecast in sequence. Make sure firmware and app updates are installed, because mismatched versions often block discovery and playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.